About 10,000 years ago, the agricultural revolution began. Humans started cultivating wheat. They sowed seeds and pulled out weeds. Humans began domesticating livestock. They no longer had to hunt for sheep. Instead, they herded them to fertile pastures. Thus, humans obtained more grains and more meat. The way of life for humans, who used to gather wild plants and hunt wild animals, changed completely. The nomadic lifestyle of hunter-gatherers came to an end, and farmers settled in one place, leading a stable life. We have learned about the agricultural revolution in this way. But is it true? Was the agricultural revolution truly a great leap forward for humanity? Unfortunately, the agricultural revolution was the greatest deception in history. Farmers suffered more hunger and worked harder than hunter-gatherers. Hunter-gatherers relied on a diverse range of food sources, surviving as omnivorous foragers. They didn't need wheat to survive. If they couldn't find wheat while gathering food, they would eat other fruits or hunt other animals and be content with that. However, after the agricultural revolution, humans became dependent on wheat for their livelihood. The agricultural revolution forced humans to rely on a limited number of crops for the majority of their calories. During droughts or locust swarms ravaging cultivated lands, farmers suffered famine and death, numbering in the millions. Furthermore, wheat made humans more violent and barbaric. Cultivating wheat required arable land. To obtain land, farmers didn't hesitate to attack their neighbors. The attacked neighbors had no choice but to defend themselves and fight to the end. Losing grazing land, homes, and grain storage was a matter of life and death. So, who really benefited from the agricultural revolution and lived a comfortable and abundant life? For whom did humans labor so hard, sacrificing their lives to protect the grazing lands? Wheat. After the agricultural revolution, the life of wheat changed completely. Wheat didn't prefer stones and gravel, so humans toiled to clear the fields. Wheat didn't want to share water and nutrients with other plants, so humans spent their days pulling weeds under the scorching sun. Wheat was susceptible to diseases, so humans took care to protect it from pests and blight. Wheat was always thirsty, so humans fetched water from springs and streams. Wheat was so fragile that humans collected animal manure to enrich the soil and ensure abundant nutrition. Within just 2,000 years of cultivating wheat, humans spent almost their entire days tending to it, from early morning till sunset, leaving little time for anything else. The result was successful. Wheat thrived. Before the agricultural revolution, wheat was just one of many weeds, limited to certain regions in the Middle East. After the agricultural revolution, wheat grew all over the world. In terms of the basic criteria of evolution, survival and reproduction, wheat became the most successful plant in Earth's history. In the North American prairies 10,000 years ago, there wasn't a single stalk of wheat. But now it is cultivated across hundreds of kilometers. Globally, the area of land dedicated to wheat cultivation is a staggering 2.25 million square kilometers. Isn't it astounding? From being a mere weed, wheat became the most successful plant in the world through the agricultural revolution. The agricultural revolution may not have been beneficial to humans after all. Even at this very moment, wheat is drinking the water provided by farmers, absorbing the nutrients provided by farmers, and relying on farmers for protection against pests. Farmers labor tirelessly to protect and nurture wheat throughout the day. While we may think that we can enjoy delicious bread and pasta thanks to wheat, it was only because of humans that wheat could prosper. As humans become more dependent on wheat, it thrives and grows healthier. In the course of human history, the true winner might be wheat. Because wheat was the staple food of humans, they could have become the true victors.